Hey everyone, Tim with H2O Power Equipment here in Denver, Landa distributor for the greatest pressure washers out there. Wanted to showcase a really nice trailer build that we just completed. It's got an SLT 8 gallon per minute hot water pressure washer skid on it. This particular customer is going to be cleaning a large surface area for parking garages, sidewalks, parking lots. So they wanted the optionality to switch from a 1-gun system to a 2-gun system. So we've configured it that way. Back here on the outlet, we've also got some chemical tanks, the large recovery tank with a hydrant fill capability to do a quick fill up of their main water source tank. And then on the back half of the trailer is where we added a lot more customization specific to this customer's job, where we're gonna have a reclaim system so that he can recover that wash water, clean it, and then add it back to this tank, and then reuse for continued washing on site. So we'll take a deeper look here, a closer look. We've got the MWP vac system here from Landa, which recovers up to 30 gallon per minute. And we've got it plumbed in to one of the newest additions to the Water Maze lineup is a filtration vac pack system. So the customer can either discharge into that recovery tank dirty, or they can go through the filtration system. It allows it to clean that water, discharges it back into that recovery tank, at which point it connects with the main tank and he's able to keep washing with that clean water. So that kind of stuff, when you're on a job site, you don't have quick or close access to clean water, can be a lifesaver, especially if you've got large surface areas to cover. Just kind of wrapping up on the back here, 3 hose reels, 2 of them with the high pressure lines for the 2-gun setup, as well as the garden hose to continue to get fresh water into that main tank. If you're looking for solutions like this, please come see your local Landa dealer. We'd be more than happy to help you.